Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is the By the Cup sampler. This is a 40 pack of the Twinings sampler. This is a great gift, and this is what I received in the mail recently because we got sick, and so some family sent us this, and it was just what we needed. It comes with the honey right here at the top, and it comes with a variety of different flavors. My favorite is the Nightly Calm. That is a very soothing tea. It has a very mild flavor. There are a ton of different options in here. You have a berry tea, you have chamomile, honey, and vanilla. Just a really nice variety pack. Another one that I really like is the orange and cinnamon spice. So I would say that if you are looking to try the different teas, or perhaps you are looking to give this as a gift, it's a great option. And this is going to last you a while, and if you're sick and you want tea, the last thing that you want to do is go out to the store and get it. So having it arrive to your doorstep is such a nice, unexpected gift, and one that your friend, your loved one will really appreciate. But that's just my point of view.